Hello, this is Ripon Hussain Chapol, and in our previous episode, we have seen how we can work on comments.php, and one thing was remaining there, that is our callback function on WP list comments. So for this, you can see here this one is broken here and not as styled as this one. So you can see the style here, the image of the commenter and the date, and then the text of the author and some comments, and then the replay button here. So we will try to make it like this. As you can see, this is not even close like the HTML. So we'll try to make like this. So for that, we need to make sure that the callback function is working, and in take this comment callback, we need to create a functions in our take this functions.php. So we'll create a functions there. So in here, I'll create a function, and we'll check that if this function is working or not. So if I echo something like any text and save it, yeah, the function is wrong written there, so that's why it was not working. So if I now give a refresh here in my WP and give a refresh, then you will see the output here. So the output I need is actually this comments area. So I will go on to my blog details part, and as you can see here, my li part. So I will only take the li part and not other things. So I'll copy it from here and I will paste it inside here, and I will format it this a little bit with this, and we need to start the PHP here again. And in here we don't need to close the li, because WordPress itself, it has the responsibility to close the li. So when the li is coming, we need to need to close the li. So if I now go here and give a refresh, now I will see that the comment author and the things, now it's time to do the dynamics only, this part. So the comment author, then the date, then the name, then the comment text, and the replay button. So for doing that, we need to do some things here, because the replay button needs to do their work, and some class also need to be generated from the WordPress itself. Otherwise, it will be not as standard as WordPress is recommend us. So in the li class, we will write some class here for loading the WordPress class and our class also. So we'll write PHP comment class, comment class, and inside that we'll place our comment, this vs comment item. So we'll place this class here, and we will remove this class, and now we will check that is it working perfectly or not. So I will inspect it right now here, and as you can see here, li class is coming, but another db is also loaded. The li is not ended here, na. The li tag end was not here, that's why the problem occurred there. So I'll give a refresh now, and we can see now that the comments event and the some comments class is also loaded, and also our class has been loaded here. Now it's time to dynamic this part here. As you can see, div, then vs comment, vs post comment, and in here we need to give load an id from the WordPress comment area. So in here we need to give p id is equal quotation, then php comment id. As you can see, it is already recommended. So now I'll go here and check that if the comment id is loading or not. Yeah, the comment id is loading here perfectly. Now As you can see, the comment ID that is also loading, and the class is also perfectly working. Now we'll go for the comment avatar, and for taking some help, we'll search that how this WP list comment is working. So if we search on the Google, then there will be some resources here, and we'll open the WP comma .com one. So they give a brief descriptions here how these things is working. And for the avatar, we are having this one, as you can see here, the avatar, get avatar, then comment, then arguments, avatar size, and all the things is loaded here. So I will go here, and in the functions we need to load 3 arguments here: comment, depth, and argument. So we'll take these 3 things. It is recommended and need to be given here, otherwise it will not work perfectly, na, because we are needed here the comment, then the depth, then the argument also. After taking this argument here, now we will dynamic this comment avatar. So for that we need to write here some conditions, that if the avatar image is available, then it will be shown. So we will write PHP if get avatar, if give avatar of comment, here's the variable that is needed, and the size 110 is the size here recommended. So if it's available, then it will be loaded here, and the condition will end here. Okay. Then in here, in the image tag, we will remove this full one, and we will write PHP, then our this code here. Now if I go here in my local host and give a refresh, then we'll see that there is something. Maybe we need to echo here. So yeah, in here now you can see that the avatar image is showing here perfectly with the 110 image, 110 image size. And now it's time to do the dynamic, then the name, then the comment text, then the replay button. So for doing that, in the comment text, so we'll check here again in this part, that how the comment text is going to your dynamic. So so the date we are going to dynamic, and for doing this comment text area, we only need comment text PHP, the comment text, as you can see here, that is needed only here for the comment text. And for the date here, we are seeing a lot of things, that the times and all the things. So we will go here with this, we will comment this whole part, and we will paste it here. Obviously we need to do here a PHP tag start and PHP end. So now we will check that how this comments area is working, and also remember that we need to change our this text 2020, it will be techbiz, the text domain. So now if I go here and give a refresh here, you can see the time and the things. So I'll just remove our previous text here, the commented on text, and if I give refresh now, then you will see the exact time and date that is has been delivered for this comment. Okay. So the comments time we have dynamic it perfectly. and now it's the name that we need. So for the name, we'll go here and we'll take the get comment author and then the comment. So we'll just write the PHP here, PHP, and then echo this one. And now we'll check that what is it is showing here. You can see the Tara Singh, which is obviously not dynamic. And now we can see it is Ripon Hossain, what is my name. So and the comments area. Now it's time to check this one, replay and edit text. So this replay and edit text, it is very important. And for this replay and edit text, we need to go here and you can see here the comment replay link and then get comment replay links, then array merge, then some arguments. So it's a lot of things stuff that is combined with here, and you can see the add below text, that is deep comment, and the depth is set, and the max depth is also set. So this is all coming from here. If I go on here, the discussion settings and then discussion, and then you are having some things here in automatically close comments, that is 14 days old, and some show comments things, and some area and some date rating area. So these things is responsible for some options here. So we'll go for reply and edit button, and for that we'll take this text as comment reply link. We'll copy this from here and we can paste it here in the upper part of our PHP. Now here's the comment replay link, and then you can set the static value also here. So in before we can remove this before text, and in the depth we can set also the static one like 1, and in here like the depth will be maximum in 5, but I don't want to give it a static one. I want that it will be dynamic, so I will keep it like this. And in here there is another thing that we can set. If I go on the get comment replay link in here, and if I go here, then we'll see the replay text. So in the replay text, we'll set our text, that is this. So in the replay text we'll set it, and this comment replay link, I'll just copy it and echo it here. I need to start the PHP here again, and if I echo this, then let's see what happened. Okay, now if I go here and give a refresh, okay, there is some error, so I need to check it, what is the error. So if I remove the preloader, then trying to access array offset value on line number 58. As you can see, this array merge error is coming, and the solution is I have made a mistake here in, as you can see here in the argument pass, we have in the param comment, then depth, then arguments, but this order is totally wrong here. We are having like the arguments is the second one here, and the depth is third one. Okay, so now if I go here in my website and give a refresh now, then you will see that it is perfectly okay. Now if I go here for the comment replay link, so I need to make it variable here. So if I echo it and give a refresh, then again we are having some error. So Again we are seeing an error, and this error is coming from here. The comment replaying, this is variable, not a function. So I need to remove these functions, and if I go now here and give it refresh again, then it is loading here. So as you can see here, a lot of error is happening. Now you need to also solve it. So that's the way that you can solve it. So it's for the code can be wrong always, so it doesn't matter what you are doing, you need to solve it anyways. So this way you can just write the code and solve it in any way, na? So now we are having our date, then our name, then our content of the comment that has been made by our users. Then we have successfully dynamic the replay text here. Now if I click on the replay text, then the replay one is coming here. If I write some content or some comment, so if I take it from here and paste it and post, then you can see here it is childing these things here, and the replay button is also perfectly working. Now here's the thing, if I click on the replay button, it is reloading our things. So if we can do these things through Ajax. So for doing these things, we need to go here in our TechBiz essential scripts, and in here we need to load our JS uh, for the comments. So we'll search here that how to load comments JS in WordPress. Okay, maybe the comments is wrong, but it doesn't matter, na? So as you can see here, WP enqueue script comment JS is not loading. So if I go here, or we can just go through here WP enqueue script, WP enqueue script for WordPress replay button. Yeah, so let's see this is working or not first. Okay, so I'll go here, and in here I'll write this WP enqueue script comment replay, and if I go here now and give a refresh, then if I click on replay here, it's still reloading. So the last problem is when we are clicking on the replay button after enqueuing the JS, it is not working. There is also a reason why it is not working, and I have also implemented another. As you can see, I have just written the WP enqueue script comment replay, this one, and now I have implemented some conditions here that if it is a singular page and if the comment is open, and if we get the options that the thread comments. So if these three things is here, then only the JS will be load. Otherwise, this JS will not load it, because it will consume some load speed issue for our website. So that's why this condition is loaded here. But still now it is not working. It is reloading itself, but we don't want that. So as you can see here in TechBiz functions, we have give the ID here with the comment ID. That's the problem here. So for loading the JS, we need to insert here a text called comment. Comment, after that a is dash. So comment dash, then the comment ID. Now if I go here and give a refresh, now if I click on the replay button, you will see it is loaded instantly with this. And if I click on the cancel replay, then it will be gone with the Ajax. So it is working perfectly now. So this way we can dynamic our this whole part. So today we have made a lot of mistakes, but that's not a matter. The matter is how you are learning this. So through the mistakes you will learning all of these things, otherwise you can't learn the in the proper way. So thank you very much, see you in our next episode.